Hi, this is Yana with Mockys. Today I'm going to show you how to take this design and add personalization to it. So we're going to add a birthday age and a name of a birthday girl. So let's start by ungrouping all of these layers because when they come in, they're all grouped. So let's just ungroup once. The way the file is organized, it is organized by color. So if you close it just to show you, you don't have to close it. Each color is on its own layer. Okay. The reason for this is so when you cut it on the mats, everything stays together and it's easy for you to layer. If you're doing vinyl on a t-shirt, easy for you to put it all together correctly. So let's go ahead and we're going to add the age. So on the left hand side, choose text and let's do number 3. I'm going to choose the font that is easy to find on your computer. Let's choose Arial. If you don't have this font, it's okay. You can choose any font you like. And let's make sure you have selected bold. Now let's move number 3 into this empty space right here and make it about the size of the tail. You can make any size you like depending on the size of the number. For this number 3, because it's so close to the tail, it works great if you overlap it, and we can actually make the tail and the number together as one piece. So when you layer it on the vinyl, you don't have to do it separately. It's gonna be all one piece. And let's say if you had a number like number 4, you can do that too, or you can keep it separately, up to you. So we're gonna go back to number 3. I just want to show you with number 3. Okay, so with number 3, take number 3, hold shift and select the grouping with all the elements with the tail, and go down right here and below and click weld. See what happened right here? The 3 and the tail are all together, and the layer actually took all of the elements that are with that color and put it all together. So they're not all as one piece. You cannot undo this step once you've done this. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the text for the name. So let's try the name Sophia, but let's make sure it's uppercase. Sophia. You can choose a different font, but I'm gonna go ahead and choose Arial Bold, or you can make it lowercase if you like, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it uppercase. And again, this is up to you how you want it, but I'm gonna make it about the size of the word birthday. And I choose to have it the same color as the number 3 and the tail. So again, we're gonna hold shift and select our text layer is already selected, and we're gonna select the welded with the number 3. And again, we're gonna go down right here and hit weld. So now this layer is ready. It's all together. Now the last final step is to make sure that the remaining elements, currently they are in the purple layer, they're all need to stay as is. So there are 2 options. For this purpose, it doesn't matter which option you do. You can either weld or you can either attach. We can go ahead and do weld since we're not going to be moving any other elements around. So now they're all together, and I'm going to show you just so you see how it looks on the mat. All the elements positions where they're supposed to go. Same with the purple layer. That's all. That's as simple as that. Thank you.